These Blue Horizon Eremophila Glabra Prostrate have been growing here for well over a decade, doing great. It's really good because I'll tell you why. Eremophila Prostrate doesn't normally live in New South Wales, Sydney. The humidity kills it, but this one is loving it here. So we've actually, through breeding, selected one that can handle the humidity of Sydney. It is very drought tough, is coping with moderate frosts, and it appears to be more reliable than other Eremophila plants. Choosing this dense plant will help reduce weed invasion and save money on maintenance staff. Blue Horizon Eremophila is far more dense than other forms, has shorter internodes, and will provide a ground cover or mounding plant that simply has less gaps. So this area here hasn't actually been pruned yet, and it's over a decade since it's been planted. It just keeps spreading out and growing so vigorously and healthy. It's really surprised us, this particular Blue Horizon Eremophila, how well it's done in Sydney. We know it does great in WA. We know it does reasonably well in Victoria. But this one is going to do great throughout the states. Queensland will probably pull it up. I'd love to have a go there if anyone's interested in trying it, but we can't say it's going to work. But who knows, it might surprise us. It's one hardy, beautiful Blue Horizon.